After a long time we came up with a video about the popular broker IC Markets, and in today's video we will show you how to do copy trading in IC Markets broker easily. This video is being made specially for the followers of Forex BD. Many people have commented in the video about copy trading and they want to know how to do copy trading in IC Markets broker. We are presenting today's video keeping in mind their request. So those who have requested must pay attention in this video, and those who have not requested us also pay attention, because this thing is very important thing in Forex. This will be beneficial for you because not everyone can make a profit by trading on their own. So today we will show you how to set up for copy trading here, how to find a good strategy provider, and how to follow everything. So hello viewers, I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. To copy, you must first create an account under the link of Forex BD. Again, to keep your account safe, be sure to create your account under Forex BD's link. This will allow you to quick verify the account. Your account will be under lowest spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card and instantly, and you can participate in all contests. Also, Forex BD will help you in any situation if you create your account under Forex BD's link. So, for copy trading, you have to set up your account a little bit differently here. This is because we have seen in other brokers that we have to download the app from Play Store and do copy trading. Again, in somewhere we have to log into the client area and then we have to do setting for copy trading, which means brokers give opportunity to do copy trading. But IC Markets broker doesn't offer any opportunity for copy trading directly, but through third-party site you can do copy trading here, and it's approved by IC Markets broker. If you don't believe in this, then you can talk to them directly in the live chat. Besides, we had a little bit chat with IC Markets broker. You can see on the screen. The main point is that there is no direct copy trading system as other broker. That's why we have to do copy trading a little differently. There are several ways to do copy trading in this broker, such as Zulu Trade, My FX Book, and CTrader. The easiest and most secure of this is CTrader. For this, you have to enter the client area. However, everything is secure. Anyway, we will show you everything, then you will understood for yourself. Today we will show you how to copy trade through CTrader. So first, log into the client area of this broker with ID and password. Then you have to come to the download option here. You can see bottom this option. Then scroll down and you will see option called CTrader here. You can download CTrader software from here if you want. And you can also use web version of CTrader. So we click on the web version and it opened in the Google Chrome. After opening, you have to log in here. Before, you have to open a CTrader ID. It's not so big to open it. Just give your email address which you used for IC Markets and give a new password and submit your password twice. Then you can see there is an option called copy. You can copy by clicking here. This means that if you click here, a list of all the strategy provider will appear in front of you. You can see we clicked and the list have came up. From here you can see what kind of trader they have. As you can do your copy trading from CTrader and you can also do your own trading through CTrader. Yes, you can do both. We have already given a video on how to do trading in IC Markets broker through CTrader platform. Those who don't see it must watch that video. This will help you to understand today's video. The list you can see here is a list of a master trader. That means those who are expert, you can see their list. At first you can see his name and there is all the information on this side. And if we click on the name, all the information will be bigger. As you can see the balance. This is his own balance of about 41,000 euro. Below, this is the total amount of his follower. In other words, this amount is invested by investor for this strategy provider. Then you can see more information above, such as the date when he start his journey in CTrader platform. Next to it, you can see his average profit amount. Then there are the total number of people who have copied him. And next to it is the amount of how many people are currently copying him. You can see and understood the detail about a strategy provider. And through the graph below, you can see how he is making a profit. we can see that his record is going up. It's believed that he is done well. If you like a provider and if you want to follow him, then you can follow by clicking on this option. Moreover, there are options like I am 5%, then P 10%. These are a fee. That is, if you follow him, you will have to pay this percentage of fee. It's mentioned a little differently here. That is, they are shown separately, such as management fee, performance fee, volume fee. You have to share this from your profit. For example, if you follow this trader, you will have to pay 30% fee. It's just performance fee, but you don't have to pay management fee and volume fee. There are more master traders who can be followed without any fee, as there is written free. That means you don't have to pay any fee. So look at everything, then decide for yourself which is suitable for you. If you click on this start copying option to copy, a page will appear. If you click on the start copying option here, the copy will start. Another important thing to note is that deposit amount will be depend on the strategy provider or master trader. That means minimum deposit amount will depend on your master trader. You can see here an amount. If you want to follow him, then you have to deposit this minimum amount. You can't follow him if you deposit below this amount. Now let's take a look at how to deposit. Before that, I would like to request you, those who don't subscribe to ForexPD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's see the rest video. Here is the deposit option for making a deposit. Clicking on this deposit option will bring up a page like this. Here you have to select your Ctrader trading account. So click on this option, that means log into your live trading account. Then come to live account, will show your live account of IC Markets broker here. Then you will select the deposit amount and leverage from here. Then if you want to do your copy trading under swap free account, you can do that. If you give a tick mark here, your account will be swap free. Then if you click confirm, it will be copied. So make a deposit first. This is how you can easily do your copy trade here. This broker is very suitable for copy trading because in this top ranked broker, good strategy provider provide their service. So it will be much easier to make a profit here. Many brokers are offering these facilities. From your point of view, which broker is best, or where are you doing copy trade? Let us know in the comment box. If you need any help, we will help you.
And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use ForexPD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under ForexPD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.